making Pina Colada chicken wings, you're going to need about 1.5 pounds of chicken wings, 1 8-ounce can of crushed pineapples, undrained, about a 1/4 cup of shredded coconut, a 1/4 cup of dark or light rum, 6 ounces of coconut milk, and there's the ginger. You need a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and I'm going to use this pitcher instead of a blender to mix everything in. I'm also going to do 3 chicken breasts, and that's for those who don't like chicken wings. You're also going to need 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Now, what I'm going to do now is to put all these ingredients in a blender, high speed, for about 3 minutes till it's well blended. Pour it into this pitcher. I'm going to take them soy sauce packages and rub that on my chicken. Then I'm going to take this sauce and pour it over my chicken. I'm into marinating, so I am going to marinate this chicken in a bag for 6 hours or overnight, and that will let the flavors soak in. This is how the chicken breasts look. Meanwhile, my chicken wings are in the oven cooking. You're going to cover this with 1/2 cup of the marinade and save the other half for basting. This is them finished. They look dry, but inside they're moist. These are the chicken wings. And now I'm going to pour the rest of the marinade on the chicken wings and put them back in the oven. There's the marinade sauce all on them. I'm going to baste them and flip them. And you just got to keep an eye on it because every oven is different. This is how it turns out to be. All that juice is now soaked inside the chicken. You could grill this. You could bake this just until the skin gets a little crispy. Yummy, yummy for the tummy. Ooh, these are delicious.